What's up guys, Alfie here, back for another video, and today I'll be showing you all my fidget spinners. Now my first one is a normal red one. Doesn't go that fast. Put that down there. Really doesn't go that fast, it just stops for some reason. And next is probably my fastest one. Blue one, just nothing special, again, normal fidget spinner, just really fast. And then my next one is my camo one. It's really hard to do one-handed, there you go. It's nothing much again. Then this one's probably my favourite one. Now you're probably thinking, it's just a white one, but not really, because you see that button, focus, that button on there, I press that, wait, I press that, it makes this thing, then when I do that, it makes like awesome patterns, and then the backs is just like circular things. And then yeah, those are all my fidget spinners. I couldn't find two of them because I just don't know where they are. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!